hi.
Hi.
All right, let's go over our meal prep stuff. So we made some eggs this morning in the Instant Pot, and now we've already got our chicken breast out of the freezer, and we're going to add some delicious things like sesame oil, lime, cilantro, garlic, some soy sauce, and then we're gonna peel some carrots, and then let's see, what else do we have to do? We're gonna make our oatmeal with our raspberries. Move your hand. This one, move that hand.
Why?
Because it was blocking it. And then we have our ground turkey already made, so we're just gonna chop some lettuce and add our cheddar cheese and scallions and black beans. And let's see, what else do we need to make? I think that's about it. Thanks for your help. Oh, the potatoes are coming out. You ready to go get the potatoes?
Yes.
All right. Say our meal prep is well on the way.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, got stuff for the top of the potatoes. You got Dijon mustard, some stone ground mustard, apple cider vinegar, and parsley flakes with salt and pepper in there. And then we'll portion that out to 4 ounces. And then over here, we're gonna add this to the chicken. There's parsley, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, lime juice, salt and pepper, and garlic cloves. Forgot about that. And then we'll just use the food processor, grind it up, and add it to the chicken. It's my little helper having a cookie break. What are you doing? Is that yummy?
Yeah.
So measuring out my food here, I got a little scale, 4 ounces of chicken, 4 ounces of potato, 4 ounces of broccoli, and I don't even cook the broccoli, it's just frozen. This helps save time. I'm gonna microwave it anyways when I reheat it up. So I have my meals. I stick to the smaller dishes that are square because they fit in my lunches better. So the days I'm working, I try and make sure I package in a container that's gonna fit easily in my lunchbox. What you got there? Okay. Hi. All right. So we've got the rest of the meal here. We've got turkey, scallions, black beans. Well, come see. And some spinach. 2 ounces, 2 ounces, I think 4 ounces. I didn't measure, I just chopped it up. And then we are going to do later the cheddar cheese and some lettuce, but I'll just package that in like a little baggie or separate container because that's what I'll be microwaving. So yeah, pretty much lunch and dinner are almost done, and then I'll just have to make the oatmeal and raspberries. So there's the meal prep for you. Bye. You want to say bye, Owen?
Bye.